Self-confidence is like superpowers. Once you start believing in it, miracles start happening. With this saying, a very pleasant greetings to everyone. I am Shreya Sharma, a 8th grader studying in Little Flower School to deliver speech on the topic self-confidence. So, what is self-confidence? We all know that self-confidence means having a belief in yourself and your abilities. It is freedom from doubt. It is something that needs to be developed internally. It cannot be taught, but it is very important for a positive and healthy lifestyle. One cannot achieve his or her goals without self-confidence. Self-confidence makes a person independent, eager, optimistic, positive, and loving by nature. And all these characteristics are very important to achieve goals in life. It is not so that a self-confident person will always win and achieve success in life. But a self-confident person will always come over a difficult situation. He or she understands that it's not always about winning but about learning from your mistakes. One can improve his or her self-confidence in many ways. The first step is to say what you feel. People shy away when it comes to express one's opinion. They also find it very difficult to say no to something they don't like. Saying no to something you don't like or are uncomfortable with is very important. You don't need to feel guilty about it. People also feel the problem of presumption. This also shakes your self-confidence. For example, you are going to a debate competition and you know that your opponent is very strong. You may feel low and uncomfortable that you might not win the competition. This can bring negativity and affect your debate. Another step to boost your self-confidence is to set realistic goals. If you set your goals too high, it won't work for your self-confidence. For example, you plan to learn a whole course book in a day. It is unrealistic. A whole course book cannot be learned in a day. You may feel low when unable to achieve this goal. Similarly, if you set your goals too low, it also won't work for your self-confidence. For example, you plan to learn only one question answer per day. This is very less work to be done to score good grades in your exam. Hence, we should always set realistic goals. Remember, self-confidence cannot be built or boosted in a day. It takes time. So keep working on your self-confidence and achieve your goals slowly and steadily. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.